Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, dear brothers and sisters. I hope inshallah all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. It means this is the book and it is guidance sure, without doubt, to those who fear Allah and guard against evil. There are questions like, for what purpose was this Quran revealed? What achievements should be obtained from this holy book for us? What is the benefit of Quran in our daily life? You know, the answer to these questions is all stated in the second verse of Surah Al-Baqarah. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابِ, the book that was revealed by the Lord of the worlds. لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ, there is no doubt in it. هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ, guidance for the pious. That's why guidance is the achievement of the pious by acting upon the miraculous verses of the Quran. Unfortunately, we humans do not make the necessary use of this book. Maybe days will pass and we will have nothing to do with the Quran. If we want to understand whether the Quran plays a role in our lives or not, we must see what difference will be made in our lives if we assume tomorrow that the Quran does not exist at all. Many of us treat Quran like a person who goes to the doctor and takes the doctor's prescription but does not follow this prescription. This visit to the doctor will not be effective without following the prescription. Of course, we must note that the way to use the Holy Quran is with these great words of it. The more familiar we are with the Quran and the more we meditate on the Quran, the more we benefit from the guidance of the Quran. You know, this month of Ramadan, this blessed month, which is the month of the Quran, is the month of using and benefiting from the Quran. Amirul Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, says, إِنَّ الْقُرْآنَ ظَاهِرُهُ أَنِيقٌ وَبَاطِنُهُ عَمِيقٌ لَا تَفْنَى عَجَائِبُهُ وَلَا تَنْقَضِي غَرَائِبُهُ. It means the Quran is beautiful in appearance and deep inside. The wonders of the Quran do not end. The beauties of the Quran do not end. And the darkness is not illuminated except by the light of the Quran. On this very first day of the holy month of Ramadan, let's make covenant with our God to recite the Quran not only in the holy month of Ramadan, but throughout the world, throughout the year, and to get familiar with the Quran and meditate on the verses of this blessed book. In addition to reading the Quran, we should devote time to studying the interpretation of the Quran and try to implement the teachings of the Quran in our lives. Let's start today.